The supply chain, throughout its existence, has remained a complex and intricate dance of various factors that require skillful management. It involves a delicate balancing act, constantly juggling numerous considerations to ensure its smooth operation and success. One of the primary concerns is cost, as organizations strive to optimize their expenditure while maintaining a competitive edge. Efficiency also plays a vital role, as streamlining processes and reducing wastage can lead to significant savings. However, it is not just about cost and efficiency. Customer service holds great importance in the supply chain ecosystem. Businesses must find the right balance between meeting customer demands and expectations, while also ensuring profitability. This involves providing high-quality products or services, timely deliveries, and responsive customer support. Customer satisfaction ultimately impacts a company's reputation, customer loyalty, and long-term success. In recent years, a new player has entered this already intricate landscape: sustainability. As environmental concerns have gained prominence, sustainability has emerged as a crucial aspect of supply chain management. The focus has shifted towards adopting practices that minimize negative impacts on the environment, conserve resources, and promote social responsibility. It goes beyond mere compliance with regulations and seeks to actively contribute to a more sustainable future. This inclusion of sustainability has added another layer of complexity to the supply chain equation. Balancing the traditional considerations of cost, efficiency, customer service, and profitability with the need to address sustainability challenges presents a unique set of dilemmas for organizations. Ensuring the responsible sourcing of materials, minimizing carbon emissions, reducing waste, and supporting ethical labor practices are just a few of the aspects that companies must now navigate. Despite the challenges, sustainability offers immense opportunities for companies willing to embrace it. It can lead to operational efficiencies, cost savings through resource optimization, and enhanced brand reputation. Consumers are increasingly conscious of environmental and social issues, and businesses that align themselves with sustainable practices often enjoy a competitive advantage and attract a loyal customer base. As the supply chain continues to evolve, organizations must recognize the significance of sustainability as a critical factor in their decision-making processes. Integrating sustainability into core business strategies and collaborating with suppliers, partners, and customers to create a more sustainable value chain can foster innovation, resilience, and long-term success. The supply chain of the future must not only be cost-effective and efficient, but also environmentally responsible and socially conscious. By finding the right balance among these factors, businesses can navigate the complex landscape of the supply chain and emerge as leaders in their respective industries. Dr. Ramlee Ibrahim is a seasoned practitioner in designing and managing global supply chains for over 5 decades. Now a professor of supply chain management at the University of Buffalo and Tannery Ebbing University School of Management, he offers a few tips for companies aspiring to become leaders in their respective industries.
The first tip is to integrate supply chains into core business strategies. Building a risk-resilient supply chain requires a strategic approach that aligns with the overall goals and objectives of the business. By integrating the supply chain into the core business strategies, organizations can achieve better coordination and synchronization across various functions. Now, one effective way to enhance resilience is by sourcing and manufacturing products closer to the actual demand. This approach reduces lead times, minimizes transportation costs, and mitigates the risk associated with long and complex supply chains. Companies can establish partnerships with local suppliers and establish production facilities near their key markets. This enables them to respond swiftly to changes in customer demand as well as market dynamics. The second tip is to safeguard against risk with real-time and accurate data. Now, in today's fast-paced and dynamic business environment, supply chain executives require access to reliable and up-to-date information from all nodes and tiers of the supply chain. Real-time data allows for better visibility and transparency. Now, this enables proactive risk management and decision making. So, if you implement advanced technologies like the IoT sensors, RFID tracking systems, and cloud-based platforms, all these can facilitate the collection and analysis of data across the supply chain. So this data-driven approach empowers executives to identify potential risks such as disruptions in the flow of goods, delays in transportation, or supplier bottlenecks. So armed with accurate information, they can make timely and informed decisions to mitigate risk and ensure continuity of operations. Now, thirdly, you need to foster collaboration across the network. Now, collaboration is essentially important for optimizing supply chain performance and for improving end-to-end business processes. Breaking down silos within and between departments, as well as fostering collaboration with external partners. Now, this creates a more integrated and efficient supply chain network. Collaborative efforts can include joint planning, forecasting, and replenishment initiatives, where stakeholders they share information and work together to align supply with demand. Now, enhanced visibility across the supply chain can be achieved through technologies like cloud-based platforms or supply chain management software. All these technologies enable seamless communication and collaboration among different stakeholders. By fostering collaboration, companies can streamline processes, reduce lead times, minimize inventory levels, and enhance overall supply chain performance. Number 4, you need to harness intelligent technologies for innovation. Intelligent technologies such as automation, machine learning, and predictive analytics have the potential to revolutionize supply chain operations. By automating repetitive tasks and processes, companies can enhance productivity, they can reduce errors, and they are able to free up human resources for more strategic activities. Machine learning algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data to detect patterns, anomalies, and potential risks that may go unnoticed by human observation. Now, this enables proactive decision making as well as risk mitigation. Predictive analytics and decision support tools empower users with valuable insights derived from data analysis. Now, this enables them to make informed and data-driven decisions. So, by embracing these intelligent technologies, organizations can drive innovation, optimize operations, and gain a competitive edge in the market. Lastly, but not least, is to embrace sustainability as a core principle. Sustainability has transitioned from being a mere buzzword to a fundamental aspect of supply chain management. Embracing sustainability involves integrating environmentally friendly practices. It involves social responsibility and ethical considerations into every process within the supply chain. It goes beyond regulatory compliance, and it aims to create a positive impact on the planet, society, and long-term business success. Now, this can include measures such as using eco-friendly materials, reducing carbon emissions, optimizing packaging, supporting fair trade, and promoting ethical labor practices. By embedding sustainability into the core principles of the business, companies can establish themselves as conscious enterprises that prioritize the well-being of the environment and society. This commitment resonates with consumers who are increasingly seeking products and services from companies that share their values. So embracing sustainability can cultivate a loyal customer base and enhance brand reputation, and in the long run be able to drive long-term growth.
There you go, and thank you, Dr. Ramlee, for your valuable insights. By following these strategies, companies can lay the foundation for resilient, sustainable, and successful supply chains. Integration of the supply chain into core business strategies, safeguarding against risks with real-time data, fostering collaboration across the network, harnessing intelligent technologies for innovation, and embracing sustainability as a core principle enables organizations to navigate the complexities of the modern supply chain landscape. These strategies empower companies to respond effectively to market dynamics, mitigate risks, drive operational efficiency, and establish a competitive advantage. Ultimately, companies that prioritize these principles and adapt to the changing landscape of supply chain management are well-positioned for long-term success in their respective industries.